thrilled to welcome my next guest because I admire her in so many ways. She's a woman who's becoming more successful the older she gets. Not only has she been modeling for 5 decades, she's now the first ever 69-year-old cover girl. She also happens to be pretty smart. She's a registered dietitian. She's also a mom to 3 very intelligent children. I have a product of one of theirs you may have heard of. I have a Tesla, and he just launched his own rocket. Please welcome the proud mom, Mae Musk. Where do I begin on the laundry list of reasons I'm already devoted to you and we've never even met?
Well,
I just think you're fabulous.
Okay, thank you.
Congratulations on 3 brilliant children.
Thank you.
Your daughter's a filmmaker. One son wrote the most fascinating piece I ever read in the Times food section. And I am a proud Tesla owner, so thank you for changing our planet.
Thank you.
Your children. How proud are you of those kids?
I'm very proud of them, and the nicest thing is that they're nice kids, and we love getting together, and we always share, and we share ideas, and we laugh a lot, and that's good.
I think that's the real key to life.
Yes.
It just makes you feel better.
Yes.
I would be a little intimidated with how brilliant, like, you know, because I am a Tesla member of the Tesla family, I don't feel smart enough to be in my car anymore. The car is so intelligent, and now he's got his own rocket ship.
Yes.
Does the conversation ever get a little weird around your table at your house? I mean,
No, because we've grown up with it, you know.
So they've educated you the whole way, too.
Yes, I hear about it, you know, on a weekly basis, and then it happens, but it's still beyond what you can imagine.
It's incredible. I mean,
Yes,
look at
yes,
that.
yes.
It's just incredible.
Well, the nicest thing about the Tesla, it is going to be more intelligent than you as the years go along,
right.
and we can relax in a car.
Yeah, you can just sit there. I can catch up on my reading. I'll have a day off and be traveling at the same time. So you have been a model for decades, but what does it mean to you to be a model for CoverGirl at 69?
Well, you can imagine it was never my dream, because that would have been quite silly.
Look at you. Oh,
yeah, I know.
Then, now, gorgeous. I can't even.
And when they approached me, approached my agent, IMG Models, and they were interested, I thought, okay, so they're interested, nothing's going to happen. And the next thing, the contract comes, I meet them, they're all really nice people, and they are so excited to show the whole of the country or the world that someone who's 69
is still beautiful and relevant.
Yeah.
And that's what Mae and I were chatting about before her segment.
Yeah.
I love that there's now female role models that say ageism is not okay in this country. We talked about everything else. We should talk about living all of our lives and remaining relevant with every day.
That's right.
Right?
Right.